Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we'll be installing FreeBSD. So as you can see here, I've already set up the VM and we're gonna go through the installation process together. So now we are just gonna... Is there really an installation on this? Yes. I actually have never used... Okay, I guess it's just gonna boot FreeBSD. Never actually tried FreeBSD, so I guess you'll be having first experience here today. This is FreeBSD.in and we're gonna never mind from the installer. Continue with default keymat. Sure. Administrator, please ask your network administrator for approval. Seems appropriate. Base kernel ports. 32 compatible libraries. Yeah, let's just get that. Sure. ZFS, what? Yeah, let's just exit this. What? Never mind, let's restart the installation. Okay. What? Me having absolutely no. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna skip this part. Oh, okay. My bad. We are just gonna do auto. We'll see if install, and we're doing no redundancies, and I'll install this track. Oh no. Yeah. Is shift when I select? How do I select something? Tab. Just tab select. No. Give me a moment, guys. Me considering on how to do this. Mouse integration is not integrated. Well, this is a type install. I'm pressing every single key on my keyboard. Great. Can I not select that drive? Time to check how to select drive in FreeBSD. I know, very dumb having to do something like this. Time to figure this out. Enter key don't work. And this straight up this one's an unknown see. Oh, I have a lot of RAM for this. V64, this should be easy. Okay, decide how to install. Pressing spacebar, okay, great. Yes, okay, that's painful. Okay, and that should take not very long, and I really give it over my space. But yeah. Wow, that's a lot of files. Let's let it read. Oh yeah, so while that loads, I'm just going to change the viewing thing, like the place on full screen. Exclusive notice. Wait, okay. Need to change to stretch, yes. Oh man, this looks ancient. Not gonna lie, this looks very old. I do not know whether this is support for Arch. I'll check new password. Please select network interface. Would you like to configure IPv4? Yes. Yeah, no. Let's use static IP. I have to. Oh yeah, I forgot. Would you configure IPv6? No. No. Time region. I'm just gonna say anything specific. I've actually no clue. I might not. Yeah, I'm just gonna say I'm part of the Marshall Islands. That worked. Great time set. Did this have time pass through? Because it is exactly that time. Nah. I don't need no system security. Let's add user. Yeah, what? Look up the account. I can't spell, God. Okay, now we are disconnected. The installation we have would you like to open? No. Okay, great. Now it's gonna reboot and we should have FreeBSD installed. I'm quite sure FreeBSD is not Linux, but I could be wrong. I'm quite sure it's based off Unix. BIOS drive C. FreeBSD, we're just gonna boot some user. Okay. This doesn't seem like it's gonna give me any graphical user interface. Oh yeah, my mic's not set up. It sucks. Never mind, no, I set it. And the full path name of shelf. Can I log into sudo? Hey, this is not Linux. I have actually no clue how to use BSD without graphics interface. CD works, right? Let's say what CD boot. Oh, actually, no, let's use CD down. How do I change user? So, super user. User. I mean, we do a FreeBSD install, and I'm quite sure I can't do a review video because I'm very bad at using BSD and CD for what? If I do CD/home. Yeah, okay, now I run. Nothing at home. Is wget working? Yeah, okay, never mind. I guess I have to learn how to use FreeBSD and like. Anyways, that's gotta be about it for this video. If you all like it, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye bye.